So in this video, we're going to learn how to create a new server on BetterSiteHost. Now, when you log into your panel, go to your Server tab and click on the Create button. Now, depending on the requirements of your application, we actually host many different tech stacks for all application needs. For the common website, we're going to go ahead and click Apache. Next, we're going to choose the latest Ubuntu operating system. And then we're going to go ahead and select the type of database that we want to host on the server. Then we're going to go ahead and select from one of our 32 data centers across the globe. Now, rest assured, no matter what location you choose from around the globe, we've standardized our plans so that we have the same prices across every data center. Now, if you're unable to select any of these server packages, make sure that you actually have funds inside your wallet. Make sure that you go check out our video on how to manage your wallet funds in your account. I'm going to go ahead and select this server. I think it's a great one for starting a simple website. Next up, we're going to give it a name. Now, we recommend you don't really use a host name. Just give it something fun. We're going to call it Dream Server, and then click Connect Now. Now, this is a great time to go grab a cup of coffee and maybe do some other tasks, because this is actually building your server just for you, and it could take 5 to 10 minutes. So with the magic of video editing, our server is now complete. And we have a beautiful, lovely server panel that allows you to do all kinds of configurations for firewalls and applications and databases and all kinds of stuff. But we're not going to dive into that now. If you want more information on that, please check out our other videos. Now, before we go, I just want to point out, you probably don't want to bookmark this server panel. What you're going to want to do is you're actually going to want to go ahead and use your panel. So you're going to bookmark this page, and then whenever you log in here, to access your server panel, you just go ahead and click on the server or click on the little server panel button here. And what that will do is that will actually open up your server in a new tab, and then you can access that panel. So I hope you're enjoying BetterSiteHost. Now go forth and make your websites great.